we get to load all of that flight plan into the database. 2325 on the squawk, McGuire frequency 2647. We'll put that in a few. We're going to start off at a clearance of 2,000. I only filed 6,000 today, which is very, very, very low for this airplane because the winds aloft are about 100 knots for headwinds. So we're going to only have a 30 knot headwind at 6,000. Usually I fly 20 to 25,000 on this trip. The winds are just unbearable right now. So we're going to load up the plan. So we're going to go here. We're going to go flight plan.